Good morning, everyone. This is Liz. Welcome in if you're new here. And if you are one of my longtime subscribers, thanks for coming back. I appreciate you. So today, I am going to, sorry, I don't know what I was doing right there. So today I am going to show you how to make whale tail punches with just circle punches. I thought this was a genius idea because, the whale tail punch is one of those sought after commodities. And I know they do have some new ones out there. I did see some on Amazon recently. So if you do not want to do what I'm doing, you can hop onto Amazon and grab your own whale tail punch. But I wanted little ones. I wanted mini ones. And I was trying to figure out kind of how to make mini whale tail punches. And I got this brilliant idea from a YouTuber. And I will look her up. Her name eludes me right now, but I saw her making whale tail punches out of circle punches. And I thought, oh my goodness, I have a 1 1/4 inch circle punch. And I have this, I think it's a 1/2 inch circle punch. I'm not sure. Anyway, very small. So this is a Fiskars and this is an EK Success. These are all EK Successes. These are the old ones. But it got me thinking, oh my goodness, I can make them in all different sizes. So that's what we're going to do today. And I will show you how to, number one, make these little teeny mini ones. So let's put these aside and put this aside. And so anyway, it's super easy. So first off, you have to open your punch. And then you have to get some, because I was not prepared, I need to get some scrap paper, and so we're just going to punch, obviously. I'm going to punch some circles out. So let's get 3, because I would like 5 in my journal. So then you're going to fold them in half. Okay, so you're going to fold them in half, like so. And then, honestly, you are just going to snip the edges. So basically you're going to put it, I'm using a needle nose pair of tweezers. And so basically I turn my punch upside down, obviously, so that I can see, and you're just going to put it in and you're going to eyeball it. So I do it diagonal like this, put it in, kind of get it to where I think I want it. So not quite that far, maybe 1/8 of an inch in, and then you're just gonna, let's see, snip. Okay, and then you're gonna turn it around. Now here's the trial, is to get them to match, but it's pretty easy if you, like I said, do it at a diagonal the opposite way. So I hold it down there and I do it at the diagonal the opposite way. If I can get this in, I think it's okay. Let's see. Why is that? Of course it's sticking. So then you just kind of do a little bit of guesswork here and you snip it off. So pretty good. So there's your whale tail punch. And you don't need a special punch for it. So that got me thinking, I have, how do I make, and the bigger ones are just the same. So I will show you a bigger one too, but let's finish these up. So like I said, you're going to get your tweezers, you're going to hold it, you're going to slide it in like so. I don't know why that keeps getting stuck there. That's so funny. It was not doing that before. Maybe it's because I don't know. That's so weird. It was not doing that. Of course, when I was just testing it out, it was not doing that. Oh, I know why. Because I have it pointed down. Okay, so you're just going to come in like this and snip. You're going to turn it around, come in, like I said, kind of crooked, and judge. And they're not perfect, obviously. because we are human. And so, yeah. So that's the little one. So I went through my circle punches. I'm not going to do any more little ones. You get the idea on the little ones. So that got me thinking about this punch and how I could, I'm going to grab some scrap paper here in my bin. Let's see. Here we go. This is a nice size one. That got me thinking I could do a scalloped edge on the bottom. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to see how this one comes out. And I think if I do it correctly, I think we're going to have a nice whale tail. Oh, why is this not? That is so weird. Okay, there we go. I'm having trouble with my punches today, obviously, people. So anyway, we can still do these, but I'm going to do it. So I thought this would be fun, and line it up, obviously, with the scallops. And then you're going to take so this is a 2-inch punch, okay? So then I'm going to take my 1.5 inch. So this is, or I'm sorry, 1.25 inch. And I'm going to do the same thing. So I'm going to put that upside down. I am going to hold it here at an angle. And I'm going to put it in. And I am going to see if I can do this with my left hand. My left hand is very weak. See if I can snip it. Maybe. There we go. Okay. Oh, so that works. So let's see. We'll get this in here. Sorry, my hands are. Obviously, I'm struggling here. My hands are hurting today. So let's see if I can do this. All right, let's see. There we go. Okay. Well, that didn't work, but you get the idea. So anyway, that'll be cute with a little scalloped edge. So let's see if we can rectify that and do it better. Like I said, my hands are kind of weak today, so I apologize for my hands being weak. I may actually do it with my other hand. So I may actually hold with my left hand and squeeze with my right, because that would make sense. So let's do that. Squeeze a little snippet off. Maybe. There we go. And then we are going to squeeze. I'm going to forego the tweezers, and we're going to squeeze a little snippet off here. There we go. And you have a scalloped edge whale tail punch, which I think is super cute. So that is my little tutorial for today. I'm not going to go into the bigger ones. You get it. You can use any size. So I would use, if you want big ones, you can use a 2.5 and a 2. If you want, other ones. But I just wanted to show you the scalloped edge one because I thought it was so cool and so unique. And so then, yeah, you can take your oxide, and you can, let's see if I can do this. My oxide is right here. I thought I had enough on my brush, but obviously I didn't. Anyway, you can take that and you can just do the edge so you can see the scallop a little bit more, and do the edge on this side so you can see the scallop a little more. The world is your oyster on this one, people. Like, seriously. I loved the scallop edge on this, and I thought it was so cute. So anyway, that is it. That's my tutorial for today. I am busy working on the, I think maybe you remember I made this for my girlfriend for Christmas. So I am busy working on this, working on the ephemera. I am not doing a process video on this only because I want to get it done, and I take forever when I do craft with me's, and I want to get this done for Saturday. So I will do a flip through of this when I get done, and here's my little fodder for here. And yeah, so that is my little tutorial for today. I hope you all have a fabulous day, and I'll catch you in the next video.